The student opens the application on the booking page. This page has been populated prior to the appointment. This process is currently out of scope. The booking page includes the student's schedule for the day as well as key practical information including date and time. Appointment information includes the patient's name, the procedure to be carried out, and the appointment time. At this point, the student has the option to scroll through his appointments for the day or select a patient's name to initiate the process. Student enters into the patient's history, which is the first of 5 categorised steps through the system. These steps are patient history, teeth inspection, treatment, periodontal inspection, and notes. The top of the screen includes patient information, as well as the date of birth and allergy information. The history page is separated into overall history, diagnosis, and treatment, which can be accessed through 3 separate top tabs. The history page features a quick overview of the patient's full history, which is organised by date. As this section becomes more populated, the student can scroll to view older information. Diagnosis and treatment allow the student to view information by category. These sections follow the same layout and functionality for consistency and ease of use. An icon on the right indicates that notes were added during a specific appointment. The student can tap to open an overlay, which includes a more detailed overview of procedures carried out, as well as notes added. An X in the top right is tapped to exit the overlay. Once the student has reviewed the history, they can enter into the diagnostic stage of the process by selecting the next tab on the left of the screen, Teeth Inspection. This section is further categorised into 2 sections, Findings and Diagnostic. This will open up the first of 3 available views of the patient's teeth to accommodate users with different levels of technical ability. A full mouth view allows users to select an option and to add to a tooth or multiple teeth. Pinch out on a specific area of the screen will open up the second of the 3 views. This is a zoomed in view. Teeth numbers are visible on screen to orientate the user. The view can be dragged from left to right and up and down to navigate through teeth. This offers the same functionality as the previous view, but with greater accuracy. The final view allows the user to zoom further into a specific tooth. Here, the user can jump through the teeth using a top or bottom navigation. They can also swipe left to right to move to the next tooth. To exit the view, a student can click on the mouth view button or pinch out to return to the full mouth view. The Diagnostic tab offers a range of ways for students to search diagnostics. A search bar for keyword, search and code. A drop-down menu allowing users to search by category, or a sort by drop-down menu including alphabetically, by code or by most popular. Students also have the option of 2 views for the icons, list view or grid view. Click and hold an option brings up an overlay offering contextual help, allowing a student to quickly preview a diagnostic before applying. To add a diagnosis, again, the user clicks on the option and adds it to the tooth. Next, the student clicks on treatment. The treatment follows the same layout and functionality as the inspection tab, so the user is not required to learn 2 different interfaces. In this example, the student can see the patient has had 3 previous pieces of work done on 1 tooth. In this appointment, the student will be adding a crown to this tooth. He can now double tap to zoom in and view the detail. A tab in the right corner includes a history of the tooth. To see a previous action, a user can click and hold. To remove a diagnosis or treatment, a student can tap on the item, which will prompt a message box allowing the student to remove an error. When the student has finished the treatment, he moves into notes. Notes allows the student to review the work done in this session, include additional notes, and fill out a questionnaire. Once the process is complete, a student returns to the home screen.